Kenyan and Tanzanian finance ministers are meeting in Arusha, Tanzania this week to discuss ways of fast-tracking harmonization of domestic taxes, fees and levies which impede the free flow of goods and services between the two countries. The meeting is part of ongoing efforts to resolve the long-standing trade spat between Dar es Salaam and Nairobi. Victor Kiprop with more on that story.
More than a year after Presidents Uhuru Kenyatta of Kenya and Pombe Magufuli of Tanzania directed their ministers to resolve the issues they described as small and vexing, officials from the two countries are still chasing truce. The latest bilateral meeting in Arusha, Tanzania agreed on, among other things, the need for immigration and finance officials from the two countries to meet and address challenges relating to levies and immigration. A total of 19 non-tariff barriers, including issues of multiple inspection of goods, out of the 32 outstanding non-tariff barriers, were resolved at the end of the meeting.
Immigration chiefs should meet immediately, but not later than June this year. And that will be led by the PS Immigration for Kenya. We also agreed that all levies and fees should be harmonized. In other words, domestic taxes such as fees and levies should be harmonized to facilitate trade. And this is an agenda for the Ministers of Finance who are meeting this week.
Resolution of 6 other NTBs, including the 10,000 shillings temporary assignment levy and the preferential treatment denied to confectionaries from Kenya, are at an advanced stage, pending verification and follow-ups. However, critics argue that some of the issues are only solved on paper and not in practice.
We have agreed on a monitoring framework to ensure that the issues agreed are fully implemented, and that any not implementing will be, we will find a way to take action against those institutions.
Last year, Kenya's exports to Tanzania grew by 1.3 billion shillings to 29.8 billion shillings, even as imports from Dar es Salaam increased by about 600 million shillings to 17.8 billion shillings. Victor Kiprop, NTV Business.